Hi everyone, welcome back to Baby Steps to Your Best Life Yet, a 21-day cleaning challenge where we are going to be building some simple cleaning habits into a daily routine designed to help you get your home clean, clear and under control in 21 days. If you're new here, be sure to check out the link in the description of the video that I've posted explaining the 21-day challenge, along with the videos that I've uploaded each day showing how I tackle each of those daily cleaning tasks. Hi everyone, welcome back to day 17 of our Baby Steps to Your Best Life challenge. Today we are doing a digital declutter. Now I can imagine that watching me for 2 hours decluttering my email inbox is not going to be very interesting. So on top of that, I wanted to share with you how I organize some other digital areas of my life. So starting with how I organize my photos. I know I've shared this before, but if you're new here, you might not have seen it. So I have a file folder that is just for photos, and within that I have a file folder for each year. I then have a photos template file where it's got all of the months starting with the number of the month. So 1.January, 2.February, and so on. This is just so that when you sort it, it stays in chronological order rather than alphabetical order. And then by having this photos template with all the blank folders already pre-named, it just saves you from having to type them out each year. You just copy and paste the empty file folders into your new year. Then every month on the first Friday of the month, I will go through and I will dump everything from my phone and from my cameras all into the month that it corresponds to. And this is a really easy way of keeping up with photos, which just like emails can really get easily out of control with the number of times you just snap random photos and things on your iPhone. It can easily add up to tens of thousands of photos, and they can be a big nightmare to sort through if you don't keep on top of it regularly. So I've found that this is a really easy way to maintain organizing your photos. Now I've done this pretty consistently from, I think I started back in 2019 doing it this way, and then prior to that I've got like a 2015 to 2017 that I'm still working on going through and sorting through and organizing into their years, and within those years into those months. So that's something that I just kind of chip away at randomly throughout the month. Whenever I get a spare 10 or 20 minutes, I just spend some time sorting through that. Now, as you can see, I like to keep my desktop extremely clean and clear and very minimal. I have got my little digital vision board that I don't like to clutter up with any ugly file folders or anything, so I keep only the minimum off to the side, and then I keep everything backed up in an external hard drive as well. Now, the next thing that I wanted to share with you, which is kind of digital related, is how I changed the color of my file folders on my desktop from the standard apple color through to a more blush pink, which is kind of more in line with my brand colors. I saw this on some random Instagram reel. I think it was just a reel showing you how you can change the files, and I just remembered it, and so I just googled how to do it. I'll leave the link to the New York Times article that I found that showed you how to do it, and that's the steps that I followed. It was really, really simple, and now I just think it looks a little bit nicer having the color of the file folders to suit my personal taste and aesthetic. So if you want to do that, that is another thing that you can do if you've already got all your digital files under control and you're looking for something else to do today. That is a tip that I could give you to just do something towards, organizing your digital life. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you get stuck in and you do tackle it, as boring as it is. Just get in and get it done. Some of these things you can just do, while you're watching TV or something in the background. If you're waiting in line at school pickup for your kids, maybe just run through your inbox and just unsubscribe from, 10 or 15 emails. It does all add up. If you just do little bits more often, before you know it, you'll have your email inbox under control and you'll have your digital files all organized. Definitely try that photo organizing tip. It really works and it makes it so easy to organize something that, again, can just easily get out of control. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. As always, I will leave a link in the description to the video I filmed explaining the challenge, along with all of the videos I've filmed and uploaded each day showing you how I tackle all of the cleaning and organizing challenges for this month. Have a fabulous day, and I will see you tomorrow for another cleaning challenge. Bye everyone.